so many people have challenges of post-marriage infertility issues. And so by prayers and our discovery, backed by cultural antecedents, it was discovered that the stream we just came to see here, which is locally known as Mbet, has the local spiritual content that could rejuvenate, regenerate family fruitfulness. And so people who had issues with giving birth to babies, after marriages, were led into this place. Of course, the place was actually under the custodian of Okuku, who is the chief priest of the stream. Currently, Okuku has migrated to the latter part of the Itu local government, where you have the paramount reside. And so, in such instances, you will be brought here, are meant to go into the spiritual rebirth and bath with your husband, your spouse. Thereafter, you are allowed to go home after the water has been emitted for you to rub about a couple of times, like 7 times in your stomach and your forehead. And of course, for the men, it has to be through your groins and all of that. Thereafter, you are permitted to go back home. Given a space of 30 days, you come back with testimony. So I want to advise, should there be anyone who has challenge of conception from Iboland, from Hausa, from Damaturu, wherever it is, the outer Mongolia, find time to come to Itu.
My name is Ebonyi Basi.
Ebonyi Basi, wow, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
This is Itu local government area. Itu is good. Itu is fantastic. Itu is historic. Itu is actually older than Akwaibom State by 9 years. It is more than 45 years. So Akwaibom is less than 36, and so it is older in Itu. You have where Mary Celeste Olive died and stopped the killing of twins in Itu. You have the oldest Presbyterian church, whose vestiges is still collapsible, and that was brought from Scotland in Itu. Actually, Itu, the name Itu is a breakaway from two names. Itu is one of the species of fishes that is rare, only available in Okobodi, Itu. And so historians think that perhaps it's the availability of Itu fish that makes this area named Itu. But the perspective to it too, that Itu, I think International Trade Union was cited here by United Nations a couple of 100 years back. And so we are still arguing. When we get there, we'll also inform CHI. Welcome to CHI edition 11, where everything looks good as we hit nature. My name is Joseph. I'll be your big lover. Thank you.
How are you? Mister.
Hello.
Hi.
What's the name?
Itoro.
Itoro.
Yeah.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I do.
Are you sure?
Yes, I love hiking.
Yeah.
I love nature.
Okay, you love nature.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's fun about hiking?
You get to see things you don't see all the time.
But you're from Akwaibom, so how come you get to see things you don't see?
Sorry?
You're from Akwaibom, right?
Yeah.
So how come you get to see what you don't see?
I've lived outside Akwaibom for a very long time.
Okay.
So I get to enjoy this here in Akwaibom.
Wow.
It's fun.
That's good to hear.
For me, it's another sport, so a better way to spend a Saturday.
Right?
Yep.
Rather than going to the gym.
I actually don't have to gym.
Why? Why is that so? Huh?
I play tennis.
Okay, you play tennis. As funny as it sounds,
and I do that 5 days.
As funny as it sounds, I've always wanted to play tennis. Although I play table tennis very well.
I used to play 6 times in a week, including Saturday.
Maybe probably you invite me to one of your sports now.
No problem, I will.
She's a jolly good hiker, and she's a jolly good hiker. And so say, oh Lord.
You have to find.
I'm dead.
I'm alive.
I'm dead.
But my
I
back is
died.
cut.
I died.
I'm alive. I'm okay. I'm fine.
I'm trying.
We're doing it.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Hi. Jiggy.
Keep getting them. Cheers, huh?
Let's go. Let's go. CHI. Best like you supposed to fly.
I don't want to rush.
Okay, let's go.
Don't put your leg here. Robinson, come down. Oh, okay. Wow. We look at that. I don't know. I'm sure. That's the one.
Da. Yay!
Where's my bag? Let me video with my phone.
Yeah.
I don't want to
Da da da. Gege. Okay.
Hey, yo!
Yeah. I gave it to someone to hold.
Oh,
Yes.
and I wanted to do video.
Yeah.
Na play now. I don't go.
Okay, we'll go, mom.
No, wait, no, wait,